Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A54s, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the silent modes which are just activated. You should click here once on the NFC to the switcher, and just to turn it off click on the switcher again. Also we can just switch here to slide to the left side the ringtone volume panel. By this way you will also just activate the silent mode. And also have the third way how we can do that. Just open here the notification panel, and you'll see here the silent mode icon. Just click once on this icon, and now we can see that the silent mode is activated. Just to turn it off click here once again on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.